Vietnam General has provided a test article of their 105mm Hawkeye mobile howitzer system to Ukraine, which is currently undergoing operational testing and evaluation. The Hawkeye has standard firing range of 11.6 kilometers with maximum firing rate of 8 rounds per minute. The U.S. State Department has approved the possible sale of 1,000 drones including Switchblade drone and missiles for estimated $360 million to Taiwan. The Switchblade is a low-cost, lightweight, precision-guided missile drone with effective range of 30 kilometers and can carry 1.68 kilograms payload. Ukrainian soldiers are undergoing basic training in Germany for the first time, enhancing their combat skills and tactical readiness. The Ukrainian soldiers are being trained in command signs, proper crawling techniques and operation of machine guns. The Russian military has adapted a Chinese all-terrain vehicle for use as an improvised anti-aircraft unit. The chassis of Desert Cross ATV is installed with twin anti-aircraft machine guns.